Hey, hey, my prepper posse. Hope you're having a great day. We're getting ready to go down to the trade day. That rhymes. This morning, we came out and started measuring out um, garden area. I think I wanted to keep it closer to the bus. I've got fencing that I brought back with me, but first I want to till. So me and, well, my daughter, we hand-tilled this morning. But I'm going to bring it down. I want to see how much my fencing will go around, because this is a big cross throw here for the deer. And they say up here the deer will eat your entire garden in a night. So I figure if I keep it closer and I have my fencing around it, they won't come near this area. I gotta show you this ant pile. It's getting bigger every day. It's huge. I'm leaving them alone for now. They're not bothering us. But the garden will come out further. But anyway, a little at a time. We have till April 15th before it's planting season anyway. So, work in the morning on the garden and then go down and work on the booth. Boy, is it quiet out here. And we've got some cows out across the street. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to play. See you.